All right, hello everyone. So for this class, if I upload an assignment in a PDF format, we're going to use a program known as Cami to do so. So the first thing you're going to need to do, well, first, if we click on the PDF, up here at the top it says Open with. You'll notice for me it says Annotate with Cami. So that's the software that we're going to, or program, whatever, that we're going to use to edit PDFs. It will allow you to go through and answer the questions, make drawings, and do graphs and all that kind of stuff. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to open up a new tab. We're going to click on Apps and go to the Chrome store. Now, if you do not have an apps there to go to the Chrome store, then you'll just type in up here Chrome store, and there it is, Chrome Web Store. Click on that. Okay, and up here at the top under search, we're going to type in Annotate with Cami. All right, see, there it is. It's the first thing that pops up. So for you, it should say Add to Chrome right here, like it does for these. I've already added it to Chrome, so I don't have to do that. So click on that and add it to your Chrome bar. And up here at the top, if you have it set up similar to I do, your extension should be up here at the top, and there will be Cami. So now after you've added Cami to your Chrome browser, if we go to the assignment and we click on the PDF, click Open with, Annotate with Cami, pulls it up, and it should look something like this. This is my teacher view. Maybe it looks a little bit different for you in a student view. But then, so for this question, or this is the question, for right here, number 3, observe their natural behavior for a couple of minutes. Describe your observations. You can click on text box, and then you can click it there, and then you can type in your answer. All right, and then you can do that for the next 3. And then form a detailed sketch. So this will be a little bit tricky for you. It would help if you had a mouse to work with. If not, you'll have to use the laptop mouse, whatever you call it. But right here, drawing, so it'll allow you to draw a pill bug to the best of your ability. You'll notice probably that they don't have 6 legs, they have many legs. And they have segments. And they have antennae, which is plural for antenna. All right, so on. And then you go through, and then down here, you have to input some data. And then here, you'll have to draw a graph. So for this, I would click right here, Shapes, Rectangle, because it asks you to do a column graph. So then you can do pink column, green column, maybe this one was that high, so on and so forth. And then you can label your axes with the text box. Label the y-axis also. Label, and so there's a lot of features on here. You can kind of customize it however you see fit. But then after that, you'll go up here and you'll click Save, and it should give you the option to save it to your Google Drive. And then from there, you can go in and submit the assignment to where it's supposed to go, which is in here. All right, so I hope that was helpful. I'll have an SLS event if this was not helpful enough for you, and then we can walk you through it at that time.